Alright, what's good, YouTube? Happy New Year to all my fucking viewers, subscribers. Your boys over here at my buddy Jay's shop. Just wrenching with some, taking a motor out of EF right now. What's that, LS, right? Yep. That's an LS?
A1.
B18 A1?
Yeah.
So, old school. Cable clutch, yeah. So we're over here, you know, I'm making house calls. In a couple of days, I'm going to be visiting Dave in Syracuse, and we're going to see what we're going to do some B20 VTEC stuff with his car. This right here is Jay's EK Coupe. It was running. It was a built GSR. Right, GSR, right?
Yep. B18.
Pulled it out. We're going to do a couple things. It's actually over there. A nice little GT35. Max speeding rods, of course. Got a RAV9 ram horn. Yeah, so we got a lot of winter projects. He's got a bunch of gear stacks, transmissions torn apart. So we're definitely gonna have some nice content for you guys. Woo! Damn, man's got the Speed Factory tucked radiator. Damn, look at it. I just started the video and they already got this motor out. Definitely gotta have a lot of EF content for you guys. Between Phil's EF, all-wheel drive, Jay, what's going in here? Throwing a B20. B20 V's going in here. So we got a lot of fun swaps. But, all right, I'm gonna show you guys some cinematic shots.
A few moments later.
Well, it's fucking snowing. We left Jay's shop. Now we're off to go to BMP Autoworks to see what Philly has cooking up. But yeah, it's fucking coming down. We stopped at Phil's house for some pesties.
Pesties?
And some tookies. What we're about to do, we're about to go to the shop. Want some tookies?
Yeah.
What?
Hair. Oh, you bitch!
Fuck you.
We're about to do this right here. That's what we're about to do. That right there.
We'll see you guys at the shop.
Time to drift. Drift in the minivan. Imagine how crazy that thing would go if I had studded snows on the front and I just ripped the e-brake in that thing.
Going to the shop.
Oh, he's crazy. Oh, fuck, what the fuck? Don't pull the e-brake. He pulled the e-brake. Oh, he pulled the e-brake.
All right, we're at the shop. BMP Autoworks, about to get in some work done on the all-wheel drive J series drag car. I never showed this car on the channel yet. I did go Facebook Live a couple weeks ago and I showed it, but so full drag shell. The whole rear end has been cut out because it was at some point a solid rear axle, but we huh?
It was like an old sport foot drive car.
Yeah, so this car has sat for a long time. It was like an old, somebody built it a long time ago and did some shit to it, but as you can see, we got this thing mocked up with the, is it Waggle van rear diff?
Yes.
We got a Waggle van rear diff. We're making custom length axles. We're just tying in these bars because we're gonna brace, since this whole rear end is cut out, we're gonna make our own bracing to hold the rear diff up and to mount lower control arms again, because previously it just had a solid rear, like a rear, like it was weird. It was axle going from one side to the other. But yeah, check it out. I'll get some cinematics. I mean, it is a little bit of a mess right now because we haven't touched it in quite some time. We got the J block matted up to a all-wheel drive element transmission using the Inline Pro adapter plate with the, these were actually the first all-wheel drive J2K mounts made. We actually sent the plate out to Hasport and they made them for us, and they used that as a template to build the ones that you're going to be able to purchase for yourself. So you can thank us for that. But yeah, so we'll get the other, switch to the other camera. Alright, we got done notching these plates.
Oh my god.
In the fitment.
Hey, watch out. Let me go over. This ain't attached yet. It's just taped there, but it's pressed. Everything's fit tight, so that's why it's all sitting nice.
Get the side angle. Yeah, so we notched this piece to put this loop. This loop.
Yeah, rear support.
This loop goes right into those brackets to hold the rear diff. Good old Eastwood. Yeah, buddy. About to weld up.
Tack them in place.
Or tack up these
End plates.
end plates for the diff mount. See, use what is this? 1/4 inch, eighth inch steel. So these are just gonna be plates that are gonna sit up against the frame rail.
Let me see that piece of metal. I forgot my little gauges in here. Oh no, that's bigger than eighth. That's
It's bigger. Good.
3/16.
3/16. All right. So nice.
So it's thicker, yeah.
It's thicker. Because if you
It's actually better.
if you see what we did over here, that's the end plate. We're not gonna connect the bar just to the thin factory metal. We put end plates. So each side has the end plate. Just tacking it up. See, we have it taped right here.
So we ain't got too many spots on that.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, it's gonna be the end of the video. We got a lot done. It doesn't seem like a lot, it seems like we got a lot going on, but basically what Philly did was we made this bar and we measured it, we tacked in these end plates that I showed you guys earlier. So we got the rear diff pretty much where we're gonna have it. Now we just gotta figure out our lower control arm angles, because we don't want them to touch the axles.
Or max
so
out.
we got to figure out what we're gonna do. We're probably gonna put the wheels on and see with the slick, because if once we weld it permanently, we're not gonna be able to move it. So when we do tack welds, we can kind of like break them apart and like take them off, but we got to get that all perfect. So measuring is key.
Suspension geometry is next. That's what we're
So
doing.
that's what we're gonna do next. But we're excited. We started off the new year. We got a lot of work done, and it's only
Day one of the year.
It's only day one. So
Well, technically now it's day two.
So definitely, yo, if you guys are interested in J Series CRX all-wheel drive, what else? Turbo
J2K
content, and possibly
Autoworks.
even nitrous, please subscribe to the channel. Go follow BMP Autoworks on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, BMP VTEC, and as I said, subscribe to the channel. Tune in, and we're gonna give you guys some content, and it's gonna be a good year for Hondas. So thank you for watching. Peace.
Deuces.